You all are welcome to today's biology class on the human digestive system. Before we begin, I will play a video clip that will help you to familiarize yourself with different organs that are found in the human digestive system. So as you watch, try to identify the various organs. Watch out for esophagus, for liver, for stomach, for gallbladder, for the small intestine, the duodenum, the large intestine, and of course the rectum and the anus. Happy watching. Welcome back. So, what really is the digestive system? A system, as you all know, is a group of specialized organs that comes together to perform a specific function in the body. Examples of system in biology are the excretory system, the reproductive system, the circulatory system, the transport system, and so on. So, what really is digestive system? Digestive system comprises of all the organs and glands that comes together to break down food and assimilate food in animals. Yes, you heard me right. Man is an animal. Okay? So, we are going to talk about different functions of the parts found in the digestive system of a man. So please fix your eyes on the screen. Okay, this is the diagram we are going to use to help us to identify the various functions of the organs that are found in the digestive system of a man. Now, the first organ you see there is the mouth. What are the functions of the mouth? The mouth contains the tongue, the teeth, as well as the salivary gland. Now, the next one is the teeth. What's the function of the teeth? The functions are it grinds the food and exposes the food for the actions of an enzyme called ptyalin that is found in the salivary gland. Yes. Now, the third organ we're going to talk about is the tongue. What really is the function of the tongue? The tongue rolls the food into bolus, that's one. The tongue allows the mixing of the food with ptyalin enzymes. The tongue also aids easy swallowing of food. Organ number 4, the salivary gland. Functions are it serves as a solvent for food. It allows easy chewing of food. Organ number 5, the esophagus. otherwise called the gullet. The function, it has two major functions. Number one is it connects the mouth to the stomach, as you can see in the diagram. It also serves as a passage of food from the mouth to the stomach. Now take note, when you eat food, the food gets to the stomach, pass through the esophagus to the stomach by a peristaltic movement. What do we mean by peristaltic movement? It is a series of contraction of muscles which enables the food to get to its right destination. Now, organ number 6, the stomach. The stomach has about 4 functions. Number one function of the stomach is that it stores the food temporarily for about 2 to 4 hours. Yes. Now, function number 2 is that the stomach releases the food gradually to the small intestine by the opening of the pyloric sphincter. Another function is that it secretes digestive enzymes known as renin and pepsin, which breaks down protein into peptones. Another function of the stomach is that it secretes hydrochloric acid, which kills bacteria that you may have swallowed with the food. Another function is that it chunks the food into a semi-liquid called chyme. Yes, the stomach chunks the food into a semi-liquid called chyme. Good. Now, organ number 7 we're going to talk about is the duodenum. Although it is not really shown in the diagram, but it is the upper part of the small intestine, the duodenum. Good. Now the duodenum, the function is that it contains 3 types of enzymes. Amylase, which breaks down starch to maltose. Lipase, which breaks down fat and oil into fatty acid and glycerol. The third enzyme found in the duodenum is the trypsin, which converts peptones to polypeptides. Now, organ number 8 is the small intestine, otherwise known as the ileum. Now, the functions of the small intestine are just 2. The first one is that it aids in digestion of food because it contains various types of enzymes like lipase, like repsin, like lactase, like maltase, like sucrase. So it enables it to digest food. Another function of the small intestine is it aids in absorption of food. Yes, because it contains a structure known as the villus. Yes, the villus helps to absorb the food, the digested food, into the bloodstream. Now, organ number 9 is the large intestine, otherwise known as colon. The function of the colon is that it absorbs water and converts undigested food into feces. Now, the last organ is the anus. Yes, anus has just one function. That is, feces is passed out through the anus. Now, look at the diagram very well. There are some organs you see in the diagram which are not mentioned, which their functions are not mentioned. Why are their functions not mentioned? Yes, because those organs are known as the accessory glands. They do not get directly involved in digestion of food. Those organs are liver, that produces bile. We have gallbladder, which stores bile and aids in emulsification of fats. We have pancreas, which secretes pancreatic juice like amylase, lipase, and trypsin. Then we have the appendix, yes, which contains some bacteria. Then we have the rectum, which controls poops. Then the final one, which my face cam has covered, is the anus, yes, which enables feces to pass through. So that is how we have come to the end of the digestive system of a man. Now let me give you a little assignment. Constipation is associated with digested food. So what is constipation? Yes, if you know, you can drop it at the comments section. Yes, but if you don't know, I'm going to still play a video that will help you in your assignment. Goodbye.
Normally travels smoothly all the way through your colon. But if you're constipated, your intestines absorb too much water from your poop. This makes it dry and hard, causing it to move very slowly through your colon. Eventually, the slow-moving poop impacts with more poop, causing a blockage. And this can lead to a large, hard mass that completely stops the colon from moving your poop.